This video will explain the process of how study abroad credits are transferred to Millersville. During the advising and application stages, students are encouraged to talk with their academic advisor about the classes available to them on their study abroad program of choice. Students should talk about making academic progress, will courses count for major requirements, will courses count for general education requirements, study abroad policies for the perspectives and diversity waivers. During the Getting Ready to Go stage, students have now been approved to study abroad and must complete an official Study Abroad Transfer of Credit form. This item is listed as an item you need to complete on your portal, but it is also available on the Study Abroad website. Be sure that you are completing the proper form because the Study Abroad Transfer of Credit form is different than the Authorization for Transfer of Credit form provided by the Registrar's Office. The main difference is that the Authorization for Transfer of Credit form is for transferring domestic credit. The Study Abroad Transfer of Credit form helps you plan how the courses you take abroad help you to make academic progress towards graduation, and it is the official document needed along with your official study abroad transcript to process your transfer credits. While you are abroad, we check in with you to make sure you are taking courses on the form you handed in. If there are changes, we will start the process with you to update the form. It is important to update this form as soon as you can so that the transcript can be processed quickly when you return. Upon your return, the process takes 4 to 6 weeks from the time all documents have been received. When the transcript has been processed, your credits and courses will show on your degree audit report. Students are notified when the documents have been sent to the Registrar's Office for finalizing. The Registrar's Office will then complete any special requests indicated on the form and complete the perspectives or diversity waivers. When you are ready to complete the form, you will need to make an appointment with your academic advisor and bring a copy of the form, a copy of your degree audit report, a list of various course options and their course descriptions, and have access to the Millersville University course catalog found on the Registrar's website. It is the responsibility of your advisor or department chair to determine the course equivalencies for the courses taken abroad. Do not complete this form on your own. If they feel uncomfortable with the process and would like more information, your advisor or department chair are welcome to contact our office or review the materials on our website for further guidance. First, complete the top portion of the form, which asks for general information. It is important to list who your advisors and department chairs are in case the office needs to assist you to adjust the form while you are abroad. Then, schedule a meeting with your academic advisor or department chair. If you will be taking courses for both your major and minor, you will need to meet with both advisors to have them complete and sign the form. The middle part of the form is where course equivalencies will be written. On the left-hand side of the chart, list the courses from your host university or program that you wish to take. List the information exactly as it is provided. The department and course codes can be a series of letters, numbers, a combination, or they may be blank if none are given. Write down the course name. Then list the number of credits or other unit of measurement that the international university or program lists. Do not convert the credits yourself. On the right-hand side of the chart is where your advisor will write the equivalencies. There are 2 ways courses can be transferred to Millersville: a direct course equivalency and an XX course equivalency. If the course is a direct course equivalency, then based upon the course description, there is a similar or an exact course offered at Millersville. This can be determined by reviewing the MU course catalog. In the example, the Introduction to Business course the student takes abroad is very similar course offered at Millersville. After looking the course up in the MU course catalog, the department code for the similar course is BUAD for Business Administration. The course code is 101. The title happens to be exactly the same, Introduction to Business. It is listed as 3 credits, yet skip the credit column for now and we'll talk about that later. and the course is already pre-approved for a G3 general education category. If the course is not offered at Millersville, then the course will come back as an XX course equivalency. In the example, the Introduction to Australian Aboriginal Culture is something not taught at Millersville. Your advisor needs to determine which department the course would fall under if it was offered at Millersville. Let's use anthropology for an example. The department code would be ANTH. If the course is in a department that your advisor is not in, they should contact that department for guidance on that course. Your advisor will then determine what level the course is, 100, 200, 300, and then add XX to show that the course is not offered at Millersville. Some departments have special XX codes that they use, for example, 2X5. For this example, we've used 2XX. The name can stay exactly the same. Again, skip the credit column for now. The final column for the degree audit area can be slightly more flexible for an XX course. Your advisor could determine this is a G3 course to help you make progress with your general education courses. Yet, if you are an international studies major or anthropology major, perhaps they would approve it as a major elective. Ultimately, it is up to your advisor and the department chair, so be sure to review the degree audit area very carefully. To complete the credit column, you must use the credit conversion information the office has provided you either on the program webpage or during your advising meeting. Each country has its own system to convert international credits. In this example, the fake international university courses are 10 credits each. We have determined that 10 credit courses in this university are equal to 3 U.S. credits. If you are unsure about this, don't worry. During the final approval by our office, all credits are updated or changed to reflect the correct credit conversion. The form itself has 10 rows, not because you are expected to take 10 courses while you are abroad, but so that you can determine equivalencies for more classes than you need in advance. Just like here at Millersville, when registering, you may be put on a wait list for a class, a course may be closed, or you may want to drop and add another after you arrive. The more options you have already gotten approved, the less work later you will need to do over email with your advisors. When the chart is complete, your advisors need to sign the form in addition to the department chair.